So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to achieve this ripple stitch or ripple pattern crochet, and we'll see how easy it is to complete. So if you wanna see how to achieve it, stay tuned. So for this we're gonna use 3 colors: the purple, the green and the pink blush, as always from Red Heart Soft Yarn, my favorite. Also you will need a crochet hook. For this one I'm using 6.5 mm and a pair of scissors. I'm starting with the slip knot. And I will chain multiple of 16. 1, 2. I'll do twice 16, so total of 32. Okay, so I have 32 the chains here. I will add 3 more chains for the turning points. Okay, so from the third chain, on the fourth chain from the hook, I will make 1 double crochet. So this will be considered, this will be considered as 2 double crochet, and these are the extra 2 double crochet in every row, finishing and starting. You'll understand later how it is. Now I will do 1 double crochet in the next 5 chains. Again, 1 double crochet in the next 5 chains, like so. This is 1. 2. So I have my 2 initial double crochet, 1 chain 3 and double crochet, and now I have 5 double crochet in the 5 chains. Now what I'm doing is making a decrease to start shaping my ripple. So for the decrease, what I'll do, 1 incomplete double crochet in the next stitch, which is yarn over, pull through and stop here, don't complete your double crochet, and then do the same in the next stitch, 1 incomplete double crochet, and then I have 3 loops. I'll pull through all. I will do the same in the next 2 chains, 1 incomplete double crochet, 2 incomplete double crochet and pull through all. This is my first decrease. Now I will do 1 double crochet again in the next 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now is the time of the increase. The increase will be the opposite of the previous decrease, will be 2 double crochet in the same chain 2 times. So this is my chain, I'm making 2 double crochet in the same one, and the same thing in the next chain, 2 double crochet. This will form the curve. So you can already see, it will be clearer while working the next rows. again 5 double crochet. So what you're gonna do throughout your entire project is starting with 2 double crochet, then making 5 double crochet, or if you want 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches, decrease, which is 2 double crochet together twice, then 5 again, then increase, which is 2 double crochet in the same chain twice. You will find all the details of this pattern written in my blog post about the ripple stitch. 3, 4 and 5. Now a decrease again. 1, 2, join, 1, 2, join, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 1 chain left at the end. We're gonna do 2 double crochet in that same chain. So we started with 2 and we end with 2 again. Okay, so here I will be changing colors, so I'll fasten off and cut my yarn. Now I'll be working with the purple. As usual, for the joining color I will make a slip knot, and then the same as previously done. Okay, and then I'll join from where I fasten off with a slip stitch, like so. Now I'll turn my work by chaining 3. So as we said previously, the chain 3 in any row will be considered as the first double crochet, and then in the same stitch I will add another double crochet. Now I'll be working my 5 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now time for the decrease again, like we did before. 2 incomplete double crochet in the next, 1 incomplete double crochet in the next 2 stitches and join together, then the same thing in the next one. Okay, and 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and then again 5. And then a decrease. And then 5. So this is 5 double crochet. What we're gonna do in the previous chain 3, I'll yarn over, insert my hook inside, and then make 2 double crochet like so. You see now how it is, and now I'm adding another color to see how everything looks like. So here I'm adding the green color. Again, from where I stopped, I'll insert the new color, and then I'll chain 3. Okay, if you don't want to sew together all your extra thread later, just join it together as you work to hide it while you're making your double crochet, so you don't have to worry about it later. So as usual, I will add 1 double crochet in the same stitch as the chain 3, and I'll work again 5 double crochet. And again at the end here, I'll make 2 double crochet. And this is the sample of the ripple pattern and how it looks like. Of course, it's up to you how big or how small you want to make it. This is the sample I have previously made. I hope you like it and you find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.